1996 GMC 1500. Really nice truck. I love those GMCs. It's got aftermarket converters, bolt-on. He had a bolt-on kit put on a while back. Somewhere, I don't know. There's one there. One there. Then it continues true dual. And he didn't want it loud. He's in his 50s, late 50s. So he wanted just something quiet. So we put him a MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body, dual in, dual out. Right there. Continue the true dual. All the way back into 4-inch tips. There and there. 4-inch angle cut by 18. Right there. And right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's a GMC 1500 Sierra. There's the MAGNAFLOW Magna. 18-inch body. We'll put a link in the description for it if we can get one. Again. Sound decibels again. As you guys can see, it's not too loud. Sounds really nice. It was 98. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds really good. Smooth. Those MAGNAFLOWs always don't disappoint when they're like, when you want it just a deep tone without a lot of raspiness. That MAGNAFLOW always delivers. Even get deeper in about 30 days once that fiberglass compacts. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Do an inside video real quick. That's what he's doing. Okay. And then do me a favor when you leave, get on. GMC 1500 Sierra. MAGNAFLOW True Duals. Get on it! All right! Perfect. Hope you guys enjoy.